they sent over this beautiful straight 360 lace wig in the length 20 inches. I decided to teach you guys how to put your 360 lace wigs into a ponytail. Super easy. You pretty much will just need a really good scarf. You might want to use some water, maybe even a styling foam or something to help you hold and mold the hair into the position you want. Other than that, you just need your stuff for your baby hair, like your Got2b glue gel, maybe a little bit of a serum. Basically, you just need all the other items that you would pretty much use to lay your head. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial, and then I'll be back with my thoughts on this hair.
Another day, another slay, but first we must get those lips popping. This wig comes courtesy of Mslynn. They sent over a bomb wig. They sent over some cute little rollers. These are like a throwback for real, right? TPT. So this is a 360 lace wig. The hair is straight. Really gorgeous. There is some baby hair in the front. You have your comb in the back, adjustable straps, 3 combs in the front. We will be taking those off in just a bit, but I went ahead and added an elastic band first, and as you can see, those combs are in the way. We're going to be doing a ponytail today, so you don't need those combs like in the front. If you need them, keep them. If you might need them, keep them. If you don't think you need them right now, but you might need them later, take them out, put them aside, and then, you know, if you need them, you'll need them. I went ahead and put some foundation powder in the inside of the lace. We're going to put her on and brush her out. No tangles, no kinks, minimal shedding. So y'all know my favorite guru or hairstylist is Arrogant Tay, and he did this blue wig on, I forget her name, she's from Love and Hip Hop, and it was literally, it went viral because the wig was so, the lace was so thin. I'm trying to get there, but I'm not there yet. So I'm going to show you how to make a wig. You must first make a really thin gradient hairline. I really didn't feel like it today, so I'm just going to do just a little bit. If you guys want to see me do, like, take my time and slay the heck out of a wig and do like the gradient hairline and put it in a ponytail and really give it my best shot, let me know. This was just a quick version because the focus of this video is going to be how to make the ponytail and not so much the hairline. I do have tutorials on how I tweeze out my hairline. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a few below, or just hit my channel and search for them and you'll find them. So go ahead and pull out baby hair all the way around. If you are able to make your lace like thin and flawless, you won't necessarily need baby hair, or this much baby hair. Also, I did make the baby hair in the front a little bit, or maybe even a lot bit too short for this look, especially because I did not pluck out the hairline and make it thinner. It just kind of looks funny. So I'll go back and fix that on another day. I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell mousse and go around and work it into the hair. I find that when trying to make your ponytail lay as flat as possible, you either need to use a hot comb, like an electric hot comb, or really a stove hot comb will do the trick, but if you don't have one, an electric hot comb, to get the hair all the way around super duper like bone flat straight, like silk pressed. If not, you'll have to do the opposite, which is basically wet it down really good. I did wet it a little bit off camera, and as you can see back there, no matter how perfect you think your ponytail is, when you look in the mirror or when you look at the camera after the fact, it's lumpy back there. So this is a process to say the least, but I went ahead and put a scarf on, repowdered my face. I left the scarf on for about 20 minutes just to make the area lay flat. Now I'm going to try and mold the ponytail a little bit, or maybe a lot bit better. But again, I'll show you guys a different method on how to do with the hot comb. I find that that method works much better, and obviously tweezing out the hairline works much better as well. Also, you will need a super flat foundation. I do have a braid up under here that was done by my stylist, and that helps a lot. If you do like 2 cornrows, this is not going to work for you unless your hair is very thin or very short. Then maybe it will, but you just keep working that ponytail, second try, and boom, I got it crooked. That's the most frustrating thing ever. I will say that this does look like a helmet, again, because I did not tweeze out the hairline. Make sure that excess lace is cut off so that it doesn't roll around, but this is pretty much the idea. You want that bun. I'm going to go ahead and refix that baby hair based on what I got. And, you know, give it my best shot, shoot my shot, so to speak. Again, I did make that a little bit too short in the front, but that'll be an easy fix later on when I tweeze out the hairline. I did also pull a little bit of the baby hair out, and I'm going to fix that later as well. The hair in the back, baby hair is optional in the back, but they do provide it. I'm going to go ahead and pull it down. What I do is I pull the wig all the way down and tuck it under that elastic band that I added. And I'm going to wing around with just pretty much water and trying to get it as sleek as possible. This is really a tedious thing. It's not as simple as a ponytail at home, but this was the best that I got. Next time I'll try to do a different technique for you guys, but I hope that you guys got the picture and love the hair and love this video. Thumbs up for more videos like this, and watch me get better, because watch, I'm going to be slaying these a few months from now. Just wait on it. Oh, and don't forget, you want to go ahead and put a little bit of heat on that ponytail so it looks super poppin'. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Now let's talk about the hair itself. Hashtag bun life. Or not.
So that was pretty much how I do my ponytails. I will say for me it's like a 2-day process, because you really want it to be tight and sleek. Like right now I feel like I can go back and put the scarf back on it and redo it again, because practice makes perfect. A great idea also would be to use a holding spray. I didn't want it to be too tight or too you know, hard and crunchy, so I didn't today. But you almost want to get the cap super duper wet so all the hair can be brushed into the same direction up. Tie it down and secure with the scarf. Maybe add a little bit, like I said, of a foam, such as your Ponytail or your Sebastian shapers, just so that it can lock in and it won't move, especially for that first initial ponytail. And then like after that, it kind of will be molded to be easier just to redo your ponytail on a daily basis. It's kind of cool to have the baby hair in the back. It just kind of helps to camouflage your kitchen and make sure that it doesn't in the back. And then also baby hair in the front helps. I didn't do too much in the front, because I still have to go in and customize my hairline and make it a little bit more gradient, or actually a lot more gradient, because this unit was not pre-plucked. So as long as you go ahead and kind of tweeze out and make it look a little bit more natural, your ponytail is going to be on fleek. And then in the end, I kind of just went ahead and added a little bit of my shine spray, my hair silky sheen to the ends, and just kind of ran the hot comb through it really quickly so that the ponytail would look sleek. I find that this is the perfect height for me to do a high ponytail. When I go higher, it kind of just looks a little bit crazy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to check out Miss Lynn. I have all the information in the description bar for you guys to click and shop away. You can also twist it up really quick and easy and do a nice bun. If you want a bun, I would also suggest to make the ponytail a little bit higher so that it can just sit up top. Really cute. You can also kind of twist it and like pin it forwards like so. Super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to check out Miss Lynn. I have all the information in the description bar for you guys to shop away. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.